hello, it's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, side chick send a naked bekus go give man. My people, side chick send the naked bekus. Wanna listen well, because me, I never see this kind of thing before. Where side chick not be even the wife where they ask so that will first see that time and that one at the wife where they ask and he said the Ikbekus go give your husband come mistake said that for their WhatsApp group, their church WhatsApp group, they come begin to share and they go that time. That one will see understand. But this one a side chick, my people, side chick. Where that one for the happen? Me I don't understand what it can happen to our people again really. Like seriously. If you not able to see the woman, she be like man. She be like man. He said if you want to see the Ikbekus very stinking. If you even see herself, you want vomit. She even they send me, they say, I said the man not the picky call. They say, I know you are angry with me, but no problem. I will still send it to you. That one is not a problem. Like seriously. The woman where they ask now, I can share the naked Ikbekus for everywhere now. He said, maybe we help and beg the girl, the side chick, make you leave your husband alone. He said, with your husband, I don't know for years, he never born for her. He said, she not be small pikin again. Now she can see pikin born. He can born twins for the man. He said, never able to put the children picture for Facebook. He said, he can see and say the side chick can put them for Facebook. Like, seriously? Pikin when me born, I never put am. Now side chick go come help me put am. I will not die now. Now the woman come see the Ikbekus. Says it's where your husband tell see the Ikbekus. Your husband not dey sleep again in the night. Now you come say we help and beg. Now Canada they say this one for the happen. So Canada, like seriously. So no respect again. Single mother they cause grace. Later they'll say single mother they talk to them. How can a single mother you respect yourself so that people can respect you? Respect yourself so that people go still respect you. A single mother, I see really. You know they cause grace. How you could just side chick, you just send your naked Ikbekus go they give man. Which I you say make the man say as you don't understand what the man want use and do. You want Ikbekus not rich and big abi. Now your own Ikbekus will stink like another thing. Now the man go come see now you come they happy. Who go even see that kind of Ikbekus go even like to go there? If you not see what this great woman just do, una go shock her eyes. Anybody when need the video, me private chat, me I go share and give una because this woman she not deserve to even be a mother really. You not deserve her. And you just your Ikbekus, that's una don't know what they call that this thing. Una know they give her respect. A private part, then they call her private. Also, not private. You know, see with the make it be public, private. Eh? Which woman go say that kind of thing for your husband for a good liver? People they blame the woman, say the woman for not share them, and a woman like if for not share them, this that. So women they come for different platforms. They say, the woman who know what the man they tell her what to make do that kind of thing. So men they sabi deceive woman. On don't see where married man go want to woman, my people. You can't begin the tell the woman say, I love my wife. No, you must lie now. I be my people for now that you wanna leave in a comment for the comment section. When I don't see we married woman, married man go want spin a single girl. You must tell her what you go sweet on now. You go tell her say I don't even love my wife. I don't love my wife. You go tell them different lie. What the girl go take grief for them now. Because I listened to one platform where they for the talk do this same topic when they do so. The woman say, "We know what the man they tell them." The man must tell her what should go 1 year now. He must tell her sweet him. Now don't see where a married man want toast woman now. You can't begin go they tell the woman say, "I love my wife." You don't agree now. You go tell her say, "I don't love my wife." Oh, my wife said he forced himself enter my life because he want enter that Jerusalem. Immediately enter that Jerusalem finish now. Arrivederci, bye bye. It alone go say arrivederci as in bye bye. That's so. Eh? How can the responsible woman you just say your naked Ikbekus go they give man? Me no understand though. Me no just understand what you gonna happen to our guests again really. This one not be even get a woman. No, just a fool itself like that. Like I don't understand. Eh? Later on, I'll say, men, they see when I finish. Men, not the respect una. I may want to respect this kind of thing now. How man go to respect this kind of thing? You not gonna see man who want follow you again. You can say a married man. You even they follow the married man, more rich. You can carry your naked, dirty mekus. You can they send and go give the man. You can they send and go give the man. Eh? I don't just understand what can happen to our people again. I don't understand really. Some women, I don't know what I go call them. I don't know the kind of name I go use for them. Because they don't just deserve respect, really, some women. Although some single mothers, them. Not be all some. Because some single mothers, they were responsible. When they give yourself respect. Because if you get children, your children will grow tomorrow, they'll constantly this thing. And this thing, you enter social media. You go save, you don't go even come out again because your children will come grow, constantly this kind of thing. How you take explain that to them? How you go take explain that? Because if they do something now, when I go just feel so they enjoy. When they enjoy, nothing they happen. And you they forget say something go happen later. Okay, like one girl with the Instagram, don't forget her name. We just the if you want, it's just the talk and say if you want Jogo do her, you pay 200,000. Then they pay her 200,000. And if the Jogo do, then you go to show him, but you don't go show the guy face like that. You know you're the shame for you, the girl. 200K. I see her just now with somebody with one blogger they show her just now say now so in Isabel do different style. Now so in they do front style, in they do dog style, in they do this one. You are fooling yourself. For now, if you say you they enjoy now. Later when you want stop this thing, now you go know what you do to yourself that time. You will come know what you do to yourself. You will come know say you don't give yourself respect. When you come want settle down. For now, you just they enjoy, they do anything where you like, but tomorrow, you go say oh tired or late. Later when you want settle down, you can't know what you do to yourself that time. This one you go the Jogo dog man oh. For a video, you the show him. For Instagram, the girl there, I don't forget her name. Many people they follow, many men they even they book her, they call her say they want come do too. I know say men, now this kind of thing for they see them. This kind of thing, they'll carry Oga, yes, Oga. This kind of thing. If they all see that kind of thing, all of them go just they call. I don't know what the reason why these women they do one. Una no go one no, una want to. I don't see woman way when I want Jogodo. I want to enjoy myself. Go and look for a life. Go and look for a girlfriend where you will follow. Because those women don't they use one the waka. How can the woman go just like to the fool itself for live video say you want the Jogodo men for 200,000 and many people go just really go there. Eh? For now, not so that they enjoy. Later, you'll know what you do to yourself that time. You go know what you do to yourself. The time you will regret yourself, time don't go. Time don't go that time. I die low. It's too late, my dear. So when would they give our self-respect? Just see this one now. When you just they go for a viral now. Many more are still coming. More. They are still coming. This one had the highest when we don't ever see. A side chick go send the naked makers go they give man. Side chick. Not be saying a wife who even there does he understand. Side chick go send the naked makers go they give man. I beg you. Awa. Olalu wa iswa. You know what they call her wa. I don't forget what they call her for English. Some women sha. I don't understand though. The guy how to describe una really some women. You just say your naked makers go they give man. Not be even a sugar daddy for that matter. Then you say your naked makers go they give. Say make it they look am. So your wife now not reach to look. Now your own come good. Suppose if I even say the makers so now would go pick crazy. Eh? Me I don't understand though. The other one that they call for the other platform say now so in the leak husband nyash in the leak husband if in they play with your husband in go leak oil body leak nyash join her. Now they be not one person not go see for social media. Not the way person not go hear, not the way person not go see. My people. One they give una self-respect, oh, respect. Give yourself respect. May man respect you. If you are a single mother, if the way you don't respect yourself, now man will still respect you. Now man will stay with you. Single mother, now man, I make you be that single mother. So make that man shame. So that may you give yourself respect. Better man go come your way, we go marry you. You yourself, you go shocktalize where you go see and say, after many children, you see man will marry me because you respect yourself. But if you don't respect yourself, my dear, you just fool yourself. They go, they go to the different men. They go. The time you tell know what you do to yourself, time don't go. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you need the video, you can contact me. I will give you the video. Mona see what I talk about. Mona no, I know some people never see the video. So that man not facing a fake story. Now carry come here. Thank you. Bye, everybody, and share this video for me. Make it go viral. Share them. Make it go viral. And always put thumbs up for me. And anything you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section. Bye, everybody. Bye.